Hey guys, today we are in Frost, Texas, about an hour away from Dallas. We're staying by Navarro Mills Lake in this beautiful tiny house over there, as the Airbnb person called it, which we all know is just a cabin.
We did a little bit of work today. I worked on some editing, played with a drone, played with our friendly neighborhood cat.
And today we're about to go take our Slavic compatriot to taste the amazing exotic cuisine of Chinese takeout in rural Texas. And let's go. Did a little quick walk around, looks a little bit scary. But for $7.59, you can't go wrong with 3 different rows of buffet items.
We're gonna take the chance for you.
We'll tell you the truth because we're actually experts in Chinese food. We're connoisseurs.
So I'll take his word for it.
Oh, is that a pizza? See that? Is that a pizza? Oh, sweet biscuit. I'm a biscuit boy.
Pro.
You got sweet and sour chicken here. Quintessential Chinese food. Drip.
Those are their corn nuggets that I told you are good.
What are the chickens?
Is it like a fritter?
No, they're corn. They're corn nuggets.
That's a special southern item I've never seen.
Try that, yeah. Got an egg roll. Classic standard issue. Should I try that pizza? I'll try that.
Do not try that pizza. That pizza looks so scary. It looks like a mini Chicago deep dish pizza. Chicken teriyaki. I feel like they blended some substance together and made it into meat. Free country. You're the freest state of the whole country. Ooh.
Throw that on the seafood station. It's gonna be a hard pass for me. Alright, let's do this properly. Let's start off with this sweet cake. It's pretty good.
Does it taste like a donut?
It's basically like fried bread with sugar. This is like Domino sugar.
Domino sugar.
Yeah,
you know
Domino's?
exactly. Yeah.
This is Domino sugar. That's how good I am with sugar. This is Domino sugar on top of like this fried, deep fried, breaded pastry thing. Egg roll, standard issue. It's like it's very meaty. This is like just meat. There's like meat inside here. If you can see that. Just meat on top of meat on top of meat, just overflowing with meat, which is like good. All right, sweet and sour chicken. Sweet and sour chicken. Like the most amazing thing about sweet and sour chicken is how it tastes exactly the same in every single Chinese buffet I've ever been in my life. How do they do that?
Asian voodoo. That's how they do it.
Like literally, one state to another, country to another, this shit tastes exactly the same. Same exact sauce. Like, Kuni, like your people have nailed this one down. It's like
I think it's as simple as chicken plus some flour or a flour bath with eggs, and then you deep fry it.
Can't go wrong with that. I'll let Kuni try this real quick.
Dima just fed me a piece of fried batter. It's batter that's wrapped in batter and fried.
No, it's garlic chicken.
Oh.
It's literally garlic chicken here. Here's another piece.
I think everyone's been waiting for that pizza verdict.
Alright, pizza. If any of you went to public school in the United States, this tastes like that really delicious public school pizza. Like it brings back lots of memories when I was bullied and
It's the one day of the week that you've been waiting for, and you're super excited about this really crappy food.
I remember those times.
Yeah.
When I went to elementary school in Oklahoma, we had pizza day once a month, and only for the kids who like did really well in classes. And I remember when I got on like the smart kid list, and I got my pizza. That was the best day. It was exactly that.
I'm not sure what this is, but it tastes just like the sweet and sour chicken, but like without the bread.
It's protein.
It's pretty good. Here, I'm gonna try this.
What is this? I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know. Unlike these two guys, I don't feel too great about eating this. It tastes like overly sweetened because it's probably not very fresh, I would assume.
It's fine. I think they just no.
I think it might just be sitting in the.
No, like the reason I took it is because like they just took it out.
Anna's gonna review some classics.
Alright, so there was some mushroom chicken thing going on there, but I didn't take the chicken, I just took the mushrooms.
Why not?
Is the corn thing?
Pretty good. Good. General sweet mushrooms. I'm assuming it's like teriyaki sauce or something. Green beans.
Some good lighting there.
Sweet and garlicky. Honestly, this in itself is worth my $7.99.
Green beans do cost like $4 a pound. You get 2 pounds of that and you're good.
These I'm super interested in. These are corn puffs. They have no meat in them. It's literally just corn with probably some dough deep fried. So it sounds not very healthy, but edible.
I think it's a southern specialty because I've never seen it anywhere. They love corn down here.
Honestly, I dig. In case anyone's wondering, that's what it looks like. It's pretty good. So from my perspective, like green beans, mushrooms, corn puffs, some potatoes are a safe way to go.
It's my second plate. I'm gonna go a little bit east. To my surprise, they actually have General Tso's chicken. Our big boy's back. Shoot, I always get it confused because General Tso's look exactly the same as sesame chicken, but I can tell this time because it has sesame this time. So we're gonna try the sesame chicken first. I will actually say it's a really good sesame chicken because most places, the very fancy place, actually I don't like because they use chicken breast. And chicken breast, once you leave it out for a little bit, it just gets too dry, but these people actually use chicken thighs and they leave the skin on. So it actually adds a lot of flavor to it. Perfectly coated, you just can't go wrong. It's really hard to make it wrong. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. Right now, I'm gonna try another Takeout classic, the beef broccoli. And to be honest, like I'm always a little bit hesitant to eat beef broccoli because Chinese takeouts are cheap and beef is relatively an expensive meat. And when you see it presented in such large quantity, you're just like, how do they afford to make money? Like, how do they do it with this beef? So I think most of the time, like you're tasting some kind of mystery meat, and this already looks like some kind of mystery meat. It looks very not beefy. I'll take a bite. Fairly certain it is not beef. Nonetheless, very tasty. Super excited about General Tso's chicken. It's one of my favorite items. And I think the key to General Tso's chicken is that it should not be sweet at all. It should be flavorful. I know some people make it sweet, but I personally like the kind that's not very sweet. I can't really tell the difference between this and the sesame chicken. Can't say I'm very impressed. I'm sure I've had much better in my life, but it's definitely a very palatable food. And it's more fresh than the sesame chicken. This just brought it out. Done.
A few moments later.
This cat stole my sausage earlier. Sausage thief. Sausage thief.